Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing about how AI actually works. I'm going to explain about understanding and simple way. Let's get started. The first one, how actually basics level of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from your phone, voice assistant, to self-driving cars, even to apps that can create art, music, or code. But have you ever wondered how does AI actually work? Today we are breaking it down into the simplest way possible. By the way, end of this video, you are finally understand what's happening behind the scene of AI. Everyone new watchers, please subscribe to our channel. Second topic, the basics of AI. At its core, our AI is just about making computer think and learn like humans. But unlike us, AI does not have emotions, consciousness. It's just math and data related data. Okay. This is of AI, like a student. You are give it example, just the data. You give, okay, a set of rules. That's the algorithm. Okay. And if keeps practicing until it learns pattern. For example, if you shown an AI thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. It does not see for our tiles the way we do. Instead, it recognizes patterns of pixels and shapes also and edges. Over time, it learns this is what makes a cat and this is what make a dog. That's the magic pattern recognition. This is the basics of AI. Second one is most important. That said, that one is machine learning is the most important thing in artificial intelligence. One of the most important parts of AI is machine learning. Instead of programming every single route manually, we let the AI learn from experience. Okay. For example, if it like teaching a young boy to ride a bike, you don't give them a 200-page manual like this. More percentage to give not a bike to the rider. Okay, let them practice, fall, learn, balance, and eventually ride smoothly. That's the AI. AI does something similar. We field data. It makes a guesses, and if it's wrong, we create everyone a fair. That's really good. Second one is neural networks. Now here's where things get exciting. Neural networks, they are inspired by the human brain, like thinking of a knowledge. This is the neural networks of a artificial intelligence. Imagine layers of artificial neurons connected together. Each neuron takes an input, does some math and passes it on. With enough layers, AI can solve very complex problems like recognizing, translating languages, or generating realistic images. This is called deep learning, and it's the engine behind things like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and even medical AI like X-rays and more. How how AI learns the data to understanding of a concept. So how does AI actually learn? It uses something called training. During training, during the training, it make a predictions for this and upgrade future tick. Compare it with the correct answer, measure the error, adjust itself slightly. This loop repeats millions of times until the AI becomes accurate. Think of it practicing your shoot, miss, adjust, and eventually you get better. That's what AI does. It just say real world examples of how AI actually work. AI is not a theory, that's already part of your daily life. Google Maps predicts traffic using AI. YouTube, Netflix, Instagram recommended videos shows using AI. Actually, you watching a video, this likes, comments, depends upon the comments and suggesting more content of your interest in your social media platforms. Healthcare detects diseases from X-rays more accurately than humans, and operations also. Gaming AI creates smarter of components. chatbots like ChatGPT generating text, helping with coding, even writing stories, Google VA3, and more. Limitations and myths. But let's clear a myth. AI is not a magic. It's a consciousness. AI only works as well as the data. It's trained. If the data is blessed, AI will also bias. It can't think or feel. It just finds patterns and predicts outcomes. Okay. So how does the AI actually work? Simple. It learns from data, finds patterns, and makes predictions further and at a scale number human can catch, like update futuristic. Okay. AI is not there to replace humans, but to assist you as making tasks earlier, further, and sometimes even possible when they aren't before. Okay. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech explainers, and comments comment below what is the coolest use of AI you have seen so far. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.